And so that's what I think exclaiming Tangata Whenuatanga is. It's an exclamation of the idea that we're the land and the land is us. Pepeha are a way of exclaiming Tangata Whenuatanga. Right? Now, I know we understand the term tangata whenua, but understand that pepeha are our exclamation of our connection. That's what tangata whenuatanga really is, right? It's an exclamation of us. And so here's a word that you might want to add to your vocabulary and bring out at the whānau barbecue on Saturday, autochthonous. Right? This word autochthonous comes from the Greek word autok, which means to spring forth. Right? And autochthonous describes people who they would say they didn't come there from somewhere else, they were always there. Now, we know about the migration stories of our tupuna, having come in several waka. Right? Well, what's not particularly well known are the stories about our tupuna having always been here. I mean, take some of our oldest peoples, the Rangitane people, for example, or even the Ngāti Tahu, right, of Reporoa. The Ngāti Tahu people would tell you that their tupuna tahumatua arrived here on the back of a bird. But my father would say that that describes actually, we didn't arrive there on a waka, we were always there, right? And so that describes to me what being autochthonous is not having arrived on land and then claiming it in your possession, but in fact having been born of the land. Kapai? And so that's what I think exclaiming Tangata Whenuatanga is. It's an exclamation of the idea that we're the land and the land is us.